Hello everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This weekend we are going to Cayucos. Cayucos is about a 4-hour drive from Los Angeles, so it was about halfway between the Bay Area and us. Wow. Tis cozy. Man, I saw a guy. My partner and I came in pretty late, and so my parents already had Mexican takeout for us upon arrival.
I didn't know if there was more than one. Never mind. Okay.
Okay.
The sunset is a minute early today.
Since we were staying at an inn that was right on the strip of where everything else was, we could actually walk to breakfast. And so that's what we did. We stopped by a coffee shop that was a local roastery, and we had our wake-up call there. And then we were headed to a surfer type of cafe that had bagel sandwiches. Cayucos means Spanish for canoes. It's an unincorporated coastal town in San Luis Obispo County of California along the State Route 1 between Cambria to the north and Morro Bay to the south. Population was 2,505 at the 2020 census, down from 2,592 at the 2010 census. The area was settled by the Chumash, and these indigenous peoples have lived along the California coast for at least 11,000 years. Yeah, I had to read that like 3 times before that settled in. Anyway, Chumash means bread maker or seashell people, being that they originated near the Santa Barbara coast. Back to the present, this is our breakfast spot for the day. Yeah, hello, what's the point?
The point is
Activate. Huh?
technically they are not residents, so they have to stay on their boat. They could go to get some.
Hey, I think these are dead.
Navigating.
Rock and roll.
Do you still miss the 16?
Got the crab bones? The crab bones?
Oh yeah, like in Hawaii.
In Hawaii, there were just like crabs
Everywhere.
Really?
Dang it.
Oh, this is not funny.
It's got like the tin roof.
He wants. And his Cayucos.
I've got a bunch of kelp.
No, they're already over here.
No, yesterday there's 2 boys. They were trying to cross.
They're like in the shells.
Yeah, crabbles in the half shell. Crabble power.
Crab over there too. Look at him. Crabbing around. He's so crabby. Are these all tiny crabos too?
Probably.
Crabbles!
Luckily, they don't have the stabos. What are they? Are they eating?
I get this sign there.
Where am I? What am I doing? Where am I going?
Where's the sand?
There. He's over there. Over there. He's still paddling. Hola, amigos.
No way!
Wow, I'm surprised you know that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. I got it.
thumb is kind of funny by your right foot.
Oh. Coral, but it's not. That's so weird. They have like a spiral in the middle. They become this tree. Yeah, I think they did, because look, there's a patch over there that's like super green. Because it's a journey. Made it to the top. These guys are taking selfies down there.
I can see our hotel.
Where? Rocks. Hog riders. We were just talking about them. I want to see that happen. Be a hill. Climbing down a mountain. Or maybe this is a hill. Right? I don't know. Climbing down the hill. Yeah. Hillside, hillside, hillside. In my sparkly shoes. Stop.
Love and peace.
What does that look like?
Love and peace.
No. He did love and
Love
peace.
and peace. Rudy.
Huh. Oh my god. Stop. It's No, he's gonna go away.
Oh.
Ah. Wait, can you do that again, man?
The bird call.
Oh my god, he's looking this way. He's like, which one's dying? And then this guy is doing that. Oh my god.
I think that's dog now. Dog call.
Oh, there. Oh, no.
Woo, like this. Woo. There you go, see?
Yes. What the fuck?
Tonight on Discovery Channel.
National Geographic.
Fly away. I guess we can get you somewhere.
He's like, who is this idiot? Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, it smells fishy. Oh, is that green sand?
Thing on his head.
Look at those. Poopy trails.
I'm filming. God damn it. Well, that's user error. If I was green, I would not be blue. tonight. And the sun's out. Sun's out, sun's out.
White wings. Ooh, there's a lot of mosquitoes.
It's probably the flies.
They're going back.
Lunchtime.
Snack time.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, so those holes are, they make those holes on the sand.
Barnacles.
Did you not see the crabs that were at the other one?
Yeah.
They look the same. Yes. You want to poke it and find out? Like this one is too. That's empty.
Hello. Oh, upside down. Yeah, it's
No.
yeah.
How can you tell it's empty? There's a lot of sand.
Yeah, watch, its legs are gonna pop out. They're like walking away from us.
I know, but that's why we have to be careful and be quiet.
I don't think it's about being quiet. I think it's about being big next to them.
Imposing figure. I'll give you some bad news. There are more bugs than people.
Ugh, gross. Look, they're running away from him.
Wow, check out this inception.
I think it's like the birds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah. It's Saturday, I'm going out to the ocean.
I'm fishing. Man versus bird. Bye. Somebody didn't finish their food.
And then there's bubbles.
Oh yeah.
Right here on the. Yeah, there's just some random thing that's.
But there is also a turtle.
Yes, we saw the turtle, yes.
Turtle party.
Okay.
Oh, water even gets up here. That doggo. That doggo poison.
I'm going
That's
there.
that's
Puppy.
Hi, Papa.
corgi with some big dog.
Hi, puppy. Hi. Yeah. He's so cute. Oh, yeah. You like the butt scratches?
If you can go. Can you balance yourself?
Wow, he's learning. You're learning.
Okay. Are you ready?
I really enjoyed this snake mosaic, and next it was time to drive by some of the most beautiful homes along the coast and check out the beachfront. A dumpling. Ew, look at all these flies. Oh, not a corgo?
All the way towards there. That one, there's a road that's a rock.
What?
Hi, puppy.
You smell other dog on me.
Hi.
There's another one incoming.
Hi.
They're so fluffy. They're so fluffy. This concludes part 1 of our Cayucos trip. We do have part 2 where we go to a really cool ranch that has a bunch of artists and their works. And then we'll end with dinner in part 2. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about what to do along the California coast. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.